Hello everyone, to this video we shall see how to extract the fixed asset register. Before moving to the extraction part, let me explain you that the fixed asset register or the fixed asset report is not a one report that we click and we can extract all the requisite information. You have to extract multiple reports, maybe the two reports, and you have to combine to generate a one fixed asset register. So to do that, first you have to go to the modules, and in the modules you go to the fixed asset. Under the fixed asset there is a under inquiries and report there is a report called fixed asset roll forward. So from here you can give the date parameters, what is the date that you want to extract the information for. From here you can select the reporting currency or the accounting currency, and then from the drop down list on the format mapping you can click over asset rollover. Once this is done, you can click OK. The system will generate a report and it will be in the Excel format. So we have the report extracted. This particular report includes the information like fixed asset number, the name, the book, the method of depreciation, the date when it was placed in service, because when it was placed in service is actually a date when we start compute the depreciation. What is the service life, opening, closing, opening value of acquisition, during the period have you added any assets, the assets that are disposed of during the period, and then the closing value. And same is for the depreciation. Opening, the period depreciation, so we selected the period from 1st of January to 29th of March, so depreciation for that period if it has been charged. Is there any special depreciations, and periodic disposal, so this is relating to the assets that are disposed. Then if there are any write-ups or write-downs, so these are the mostly relating to the revaluations. And then the disposal, so what is the disposal date, the net book value or that was disposed, the sale value that was scrapped, and the profit and loss. So this is the data that can be generated through the asset rollover report. But here if you can see there are various information missing, and that information is relating to like location, what was the quantity, and then what is the remaining depreciation life of the asset, what is the status of the asset, what is the name of the vendor, invoice number, if it is sold in the customer code. So all this information is missing in that particular report. So to get all this information, you can again go to the modules and you can click on fixed asset acquired. So you can see when you click on this particular report, you can see there is a name, fixed asset group, book, posting layer, the type, location, responsible means to whom this particular asset is assigned, the quantity, acquisition date, whether this particular asset is eligible for depreciation, the customer in case it is sold, so you'll see the name of the customer, then what was the depreciation period and what is the remaining period that the cost will be amortized, the invoice, that is the per purchase invoice, and then the status of the asset, and then there is a vendor account from whom we have purchased the asset. So actually if you know that we can also eliminate the filter to apply. So here you can see the list of all the assets, open and close. In case you guys are not able to get this information, like from where you get this all particular, you can just right click and insert the column. So when you insert, you can get this acquisition date, depreciation, customer account, depreciation, and all this. So you don't have to remember all this. When I share this video with you, I'll also share the file with the required columns. So just all the requisite information that is required are available, and you can add anything additional if you want to add. So once this information is ready, you can just export this into an Excel. Yeah, and there you go, that the data is now available. So what we have to do now, we have to pull this information into that particular asset rollover forward report that we extracted. So what we'll do, we'll just copy the details from here, and we can mention the details over here. So now you can use the VLOOKUP formula and extract all the information that is required. So now the data is available here. You can drag and drop the information. Applied the formula of if error. So if there is any error, it will turn to 0. So likewise, you can capture all the, you can pull all the information, and you can get ready the fixed asset register. Okay. So now all our data has been compiled, and a fixed asset register looks good with all the financials information and other qualitative information. So I think it looks great, but one thing that we missed out is about the dimension. So actually the dimensions aren't available in any of the report, because as you know, the dimensions keep on changing in regard to, like, if an asset was previously classified under the OP, and then it is changed to, let's say, ENC. So in that case, what happens, the system that does not maintain the master, because system does not consider as a master record, and hence it is not available at the reporting level or any of the reports are provided. So what we can do for that, you can go to an ERP, you can go to the trial balance. This process is a bit lengthy, so please look carefully. In case if you don't need the dimension or it doesn't make any impact on your reports, so it's fine, you can skip that part as well. So like, let's say furniture. You can clear the filters. So now you can see this is all the transaction. So you can see the dimensions are available here, but here the thing that is missing is the asset code. So we don't know that which this particular dimension is applicable to which of the asset code. So what we have to do now, to bring the asset code, we need to go to the fixed asset transactions. So our fixed asset transaction is here. Okay, so now you can see that we have a fixed asset transaction with asset number. So in both the report, what actually is common is the voucher number. If you can see, the voucher number is available here and the voucher number is also available here. So what we can do, we can pull this asset number into this particular information on Excel through a VLOOKUP. Let me show you. Download. And let's download another report as well for the transactions. So now both of our record has been exported. So this is the data from the GL that we extracted. So this is only for furniture. So all the GL for the fixed asset, not of accumulated depreciation, only of the GL, you need to export and you need to combine them into this particular format. And then what you have to do, you need to apply a VLOOKUP. So let me show you how you can do that. VLOOKUP, and I told you the voucher number is common in both the reports. So you can just pull the information. So you can see now we have the dimensions and we also have this, but the dimension is with the account number. So what we can do here now, we can just select this and then replace it. Okay, so now you have asset code and you have dimensions also. So in your fixed asset report, if it is required, then you can pull it from this from the data that we have developed right now. So okay, so we have only the data for the furniture, and that's the reason we aren't getting any information over there. So let me just pull it down. You can see for the furniture we have got the dimensions. So this is how you can prepare a fixed asset register. I know it's a little time consuming, but let me tell you that if you can extract this information and apply the VLOOKUP, it won't take more than 15 or 20 minutes at the max. And moreover, this fixed asset register is not required on a monthly basis, that in terms of dimensions. So like dimensions, if you exclude, then the report takes only the 5 minutes at the max. So I request you guys to just practice this out, so that if you face any problem, I can help you in the due time. So thank you so much, and if you face any difficulty or any updation or any suggestion you have, then we are happy to help you. So thank you.